Good morning, guys. Bitcoin has just crossed its all-time high. The last one was at $112,000. Right now it's at $116,600, and this is the beginning of the journey that we can't stop. I think it's going to $200,000, and so this is the official beginning of the bull run 2025. Okay, so I know most of us can't afford to buy this amount of Bitcoin, but a good number of us can afford to buy this coin. So this coin currently has the price is 0 point with 4 zeros. That means let me see $1. Okay, so this is the actual price. It's 0.0000 4 zeros 18887. Let me do that for you. That means if you have $1, you are going to have 1887, you're going to have 52,000 UFO tokens. 52,000 UFO tokens. Okay, so what happens with crypto is that the liquidity really matters. Right now, considering the liquidity of Bitcoin, it can only do a maximum of 2x. It can go more than 2x. But now, this coin, look at it. Liquidity is $1.4 million. This thing can go to $140 million easily. I'm telling you, people. So the idea is to look for coins which are cheap and they have market value and they can go high. Now UFO is facing the bull run for the first time. That gives it an added advantage that it is going to go even way higher. So what am I suggesting? You who does not have money to buy Bitcoin, me who does not have the money to buy Bitcoin, why can't we buy this thing? So we put $10 in it and we'll have 500,000 of the coins. Meaning if we do $15, okay, 18, let's say we put $20, that means we have 1,000,000 coins at $20, and then let it ride. You won't be surprised that this thing can go to 10x, 100x. It can also do 1,000x. So looking at the weekly candle, this thing was up here and then it was up here. Now it is down here. Okay, so let's say it even goes to its highest point that it made back in January. Was it not January? Yeah, around January. January, Feb, I'm not so sure. That means you can 10x your money by literally the coin moving from this point to this point. So let's say this is 3 zeros and 1. So if it goes back to 3 zeros and 1 and you had put in $10, you multiply by 3 zeros and 1, your $10 turns to your $20, sorry, turns to 105. That is 5x. But this is what I'm suggesting. This thing can go to 2 zeros and 1. So my suggestion is it will go to 2 zeros and 1. So we remove 2 zeros and 1. That means your $20 goes to $1,000. That is 50x. Now, can you spare $20? Because $20 you will eat it, it will disappear. But can it grow? Mind you, whenever you have UFO, by just holding UFO, they incentivize you by giving you free coins. So within a period of time, you'll not only have the exact amount of UFOs that you put, but you'll have the exact amount of UFOs that you had plus an extra. So what does that mean? That means that this is a good asset to buy. So no, I don't have the crystal ball. I don't know what the future has, but what I know is it's better to take a risk. It's better to take a calculated risk. The bull run is here. Everything is going to fly. Literally, nearly everything is going to fly. Sorry, excuse me. So I leave you with UFO. I will leave you with the contract address so that you can look into it. So if you want, you go to dexscreener.com, and then this is the contract address. Let me get you UFO. This is UFO. I'll put it on the link. God bless you. Cheers.